morning, respected teacher. This is Jayant from CSEC section. Today I explain about data interpretation, types of graphicals and formats to represent data. Data interpretation, types of graphical formats. Effectively communication, data and insights requires thoughtful selection of graphical formats. This presentation explores the key types of data visualizations and their appropriate use cases. Introduction to data visualize. They are in three types: communication insight, identify patterns, and inform decision. Data visualizations transfer complex information into clear, compelling stories. Identify patterns. Visualizations uncover hidden trends, correlations, and outliers in data. Informed decision. Well designed visualization, data driven discussion in the processes. Bar charts. Comparing cartographical data. Strength, best users, design tips. Strengths. Bar charts excel at comparing discrete cartographical variables such as sales by product or revenue by region. Best uses. Bar charts are ideal for highlighting differences, trends, and performance across distinct groups of entities. Design tips. Use clear, informative labels and an appropriate scale to ensure the easy to interpret. Line graphs displaying trends over time. Continuous data comparing multiple matrices. Continuous data. Line graphs are well suitable for visualizing data points that change continuously over time, such as sales figure or website transfer. And second one is tracking changes. The connected data points in a line graph make it easy to spot patterns, trends, and anomalies over the reporting period. Comparing multi matrices. Line graphs can accommodate multiple data series, enabling side by side comparison of related matrices. Scatter plots, visualizing relationships. First one, identify correlation, detect outliers, and last one is explore hypothesis. Identify correlation. Scatter plots reveal the relationship between two numerical variables, highlights and patterns and potential correlations. Detect outliers. Scatter plots make it easy to spot data point that devise scientifically from the overall trend or distribution. Explore hypothesis. Scatter plots can be used to investigation potential causal relationship between variables and test research hypothesis. Pie charts showing part to whole relationships, percentage breakdown, simple comparison, limited dimensions, avoid distortion. Percentage breakdown. Pie charts are effective for displaying the proportional contribution of each category or segment to the whole. Simple comparison. Pie charts allow for easy comparison of the relative size or importance of different parts of a whole. Limited dimensions. Pie charts are best suited for visualization a small number of categories, as adding too many slices can reduce legibility. Avoid distortion. Be mindful of using 3D effects or usual shapes, as they can distort the proportional representation. Histograms represent data distribution. Visualize distributions. Histograms effectively display the underly- underlying distribution of numerical data set, revealing patterns and anomalies. Analyze central tendency. The shape of histogram can provide insights into the central tendency and disappearation of the data bin and group data. Histograms group data into bins, making it arise to identify cluster gaps and outers in the distribution. Infographics combining text and graphics. Engaging visualizations. Infographics integrate compelling data visualizations with informative text to tell comprehensive visualizing applying story. Intuitive icons. Thoughtfully designed icons and illustrative enhance the readability and impact of the information presented. Structured design. Structured design. Infographics leverage strategic typography to organize content the viewer's attention. Conclusion key takeaways. Choose wisely. Select the appropriate visualization format to effectively communicate your data and insights. Design with intent. Thoughtful design choose can enhance the clarity and impact of your data visualization. Engage your audience. Compelling visualizations can transform complex information into engaged, actionable stories. Thank you.